Well, let's go gather up the eggs and see how we did today. I got chickens already going on to roost. Now my older hens, they're starting to molt. Got shorter daylight hours. So both of those factors contribute to less egg production. My guess is we're going to have about 7 today. So that's number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I have here is, looks like 2 older hens have laid eggs. Maybe 3 of the younger hens and 2 bannies. Got 1 more nest box. Let's go take a look at it. One more egg, so that's 8 total. I have 26 hens and 8 eggs. Go figure. We'll try to take a look at my crooked neck chicken. I call him Hunchback. It's actually a hen. She's got a hump on her, looks like on her right shoulder, so her head's always pointed to the left. She's kind of shy. She's been this way since I got her as a 3-day-old chick. I'm not sure if she's laying eggs. She flies kind of funny. Usually she flies straight up. She walks funny, but I don't think she's hurting. I'm not sure what's wrong with her. Like I said, I watched her grow up with this deformity. She seems to be doing okay, so I just let her hang out with the rest of the chickens. If y'all have any idea what this is, what causes it, what it's called, leave me a comment down below. I'm curious. She acts like a normal chicken. She just looks a little peculiar. Here's one of the older hens that's still molting. Underneath the chicken perch, a lot of feathers. She looks rough, but she'll lose those feathers and she'll grow back some new ones. Here's another hen. She's kind of bashful. She's molting pretty bad as well. She was one of the favorites of the boys, so she always looked pretty rough. If you remember, I tried to put a chicken saddle on her. The other chickens went crazy over it and trying to pull it off of her, so I felt sorry and removed it myself. Let's go back and take a look at those feathers that were underneath the roost. See all them feathers? My first thought was some kind of animal got in here and ate one of my chickens. Then I realized what was really happening. I'm a relatively new chicken owner, so this is my first time to experience a molt. But from my understanding is, it's natural. It happens, usually in the fall. And they'll grow new feathers and replace the old ones. I'm hoping to either build or buy a really small storage shed to store my chicken feed and my scratch in. I don't like where it's at, but I've been fortunate so far that no critters have got into the bags and started eating it. I guess one way to increase egg production during the winter months is to put out a artificial light. Wow. Two roosters are after her. I don't use an artificial light to force my chickens to lay. That ain't natural. If they're gonna quit laying for the winter, that's fine. You notice the heat lamp over here. I used it 2 nights last year. I didn't turn it on until it was negative 15 degrees. That's unusual for this part of Arkansas, but it happens once in a while. Chick, 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 chick. So today is Friday, November 19th, and to my knowledge, I've only had 3 adult hens starting to molt. They're actually about through with it. Their new feathers are growing in already. What time of the year do your chickens molt? They may comment down below. I'm curious. Well, I've lost my egg basket. I don't know where I put it. Well, while searching for my egg basket, I found one more egg. That's number 9. Another small egg, but I guess it'll do. Well, this was another one of my favorite kind of videos. A short one. Well, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on my chickens. I appreciate y'all watching the video this afternoon. I'll catch y'all next time here at the It'll Do Homestead. Good night, everybody.